Hi everyone, this is Pat, the Cricut Diva, coming to you to do an unboxing of the Cricut Infusible kit. Okay, here we are. Cricut, it's so beautiful. Hey trendsetter, let's heat things up. Cricut Infusible ink. I have this nice blue tissue paper. Put that to the side. Envelope. This is the instructions of how to do each project that I want to test. And we have the Cricut Infusible ink transfer sheets, 12 by 12, ultraviolet. Nice. Then we have patterns, Shaylee, 4 of them, 12 by 12. The Cricut Infusible pens, 0.4 basic. We have the heat resistant tape. Ceramic coaster blanks, 4. And we have a lint roller. A tote bag blank, 19 by 14. We have a Cricut woman's t-shirt blank. And these are transfer sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 of them. Make that 9. Feel like cardstock. And I think this is the butcher paper. Yeah. Be sharing. And I want to thank you for watching and being patient with this unboxing video. Stay tuned for other testing videos. Bye, Cricut Divas and Cricut fans. Bye.